Welcome to our deep dive into IBM Watson IoT. In this video, we will explore how this powerful platform combines the Internet of Things with artificial intelligence to transform industrial operations. Let's get started. So, what exactly is IBM Watson IoT? It is a fully managed, cloud-hosted platform designed to make it simple to derive value from your Internet of Things devices. It handles everything from securely connecting and registering your sensors and gateways to managing the massive influx of data they produce. Essentially, it acts as the central nervous system for your IoT ecosystem, providing the tools to ingest data and then analyze it to find meaningful patterns. The real magic happens when we introduce cognitive computing. Unlike traditional IoT platforms that just collect numbers, Watson brings AI capabilities to the table. This means the system can learn and reason. It can process unstructured data, like video feeds, audio recordings, and natural language text, which actually makes up about 80% of the world's data. It creates a system that doesn't just react to rules, but understands context and improves over time. Connecting millions of devices securely is a massive challenge, but Watson IoT handles it with ease. It supports lightweight communication protocols like MQTT and HTTPS to ensure fast and secure data transmission. Importantly, this communication is two-way. You aren't just receiving data. You can send commands back to the devices to reboot them, update their firmware, or change configurations remotely, all at a massive scale. Once the data is flowing, you need to make sense of it. The platform offers powerful analytics capabilities. You can perform edge analytics right on the device to get instant responses with near-zero latency, or send data to the cloud for deep, historical analysis. Dashboards allow operators to visualize key performance indicators in real time, helping teams spot trends and issues the moment they arise. One of the most valuable use cases for this technology is predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down or fixing it on a rigid schedule whether it needs it or not, Watson IoT listens to the equipment. By analyzing vibration, temperature, and sound, the AI can detect subtle anomalies that indicate a future failure. This allows maintenance teams to fix the issue during planned downtime, saving huge amounts of money and preventing catastrophic failures. Another exciting application is visual inspection, often called cognitive vision. By using cameras as sensors, the platform can automatically inspect products on an assembly line. It can identify defects like scratches or misalignments with incredible accuracy, far faster and more consistently than the human eye. This ensures higher quality control and improved safety compliance in manufacturing environments. Security is paramount in the industrial world. The platform provides enterprise-grade security with encryption and strict access controls. Furthermore, it integrates with blockchain technology. This creates an immutable, tamper-proof ledger of all your IoT data. This is perfect for supply chains, where you need to prove the provenance of goods or automate contracts based on trusted sensor data. Implementing IBM Watson IoT drives significant benefits. It boosts operational efficiency by reducing downtime. It improves the customer experience by helping you build better, more reliable products. It fosters innovation by enabling new business models, like selling outcomes instead of just equipment. And ultimately, it enables better decision-making across the entire organization by replacing guesswork with hard data. To summarize, IBM Watson IoT is more than just a connection point. It is a comprehensive engine for industrial transformation. By merging physical device data with the cognitive power of AI, businesses can unlock new levels of efficiency and insight. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on the future of technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.